Hey everybody, this video is going to be a workaround to access the SkyVector website. Background on that, we've established a cert that will allow us to access SkyVector without any credential errors outside of IDS5. We're still troubleshooting why a viewer will not allow us to access that SkyVector website. Hopefully this will help you guys in the meantime utilize SkyVector still at your locations and buy us a little more time to troubleshoot and figure out what's going on. So to perform this, we need the two zip folders that you see here. Pick those up from DoD Safe. You should have the claim info that was sent out to you. What we're going to do is we're going to right click on the extracted folders once we have them on our desktop. Extract all. Where do we want to place it? It's going to by default come back to the desktop, so that's fine. We'll choose extract. Right here what I do is I take this folder that shows up and I drag and drop it to the desktop. It just creates one extracted folder with one document in it. I'll do the same thing for DoD Cert. Okay, so now we have the two folders and files that we need. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go down here and search for the MMC, Mike Charlie, and we're going to run that. Yes, we will allow it to make changes. Here's our MMC console. We're going to choose File, Add Remove Snap-in, double click Certificates, change this to Computer Account, Next, leave this on Local Computer, and Finish. Select OK. Select this arrow next to Certificates, the arrow next to Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Right-click Certificates, All Tasks, Import. Here at our Import Wizard, we're going to choose Next, Browse. We want to go to the desktop, to our DoD Cert. It'll say no items match your search. We need to change the file type it's looking for to PKCS number 7, or you can choose all files. Either way, our certificate will show up right here. We will choose Open, Next, Next, and Finish. It'll say the import was successful. We choose OK. We can close our MMC. Save console settings. We'll choose No. Now, if you were to open Google Chrome, go to SkyVector.com. You should see that it will open up SkyVector without any credential errors. Inside of IDS5, we still can't get there, but the external browsers are working now. So the next thing I want you to do is load in a new maintenance page. All right. So for that, we're going to search for Data Manager, and we're going to open that application. We'll enter our database password, and we'll be left with this screen here. We're going to choose Import. OK. Sorry. We're going to choose Import. We're going to choose these three dots. We want to navigate to our desktop, then to the maintenance page, and then click OK. So we should have a file path like this, and choose OK. Once that happens, you will have data pages here in the left. When you click it, our All 9's 8 page will show up here in the middle. Right click that and choose Add to Action List. That'll put it in this far right column. We'll choose OK in the top left. Here, if your page is still the All 9's 8 in your database, you don't have to do anything as far as the new base ID goes. However, if you are putting your maintenance page at a different location inside your database, put that data page here. Example, if your maintenance page is page 1, you would put page 1 for the new base ID, and it will overwrite your current maintenance page. We want to choose Save at Current Time. That way there's no future timestamps on any of the pages. Right? If we do not choose this, then your maintenance page may be rendered useless because it might have a future timestamp on it. Once we do that, we choose OK. It'll flash, come back to the home screen. That means it's imported the page. You may see a pop-up that says, do you wish to overwrite this page? That means you're overwriting your current maintenance page. You can choose OK to overwrite that page. Close Data Manager. We'll open our IDS5, and we'll navigate to our All 9's 8 maintenance page here. Okay. Looks the same for the most part. Couple of new things down here in the AFAS PMO. We only have 2 buttons now. We no longer use the patching button here, so we have a SkyVector button. This button will launch Google Chrome and will automatically navigate to SkyVector.com. Feel free to copy this button, paste it throughout your database, go into the properties of this button, see how it's been set up, and copy that setup and use it inside of your database as you need. You should have a March 10th, 2021 date down here that tells us that you have the most current maintenance page. The next thing we have, this page has been loaded on the one AFAS you're at right now. We need to transmit it to the rest of the network. Okay, it will do it naturally over time by a standard share. However, we can go ahead and push it out by clicking this up arrow right here. Once you click it, the words will disappear. This page has been pushed out to the network. So if you go look at any other AFAS, you should see that this page with the March 10th, 2021 date is there. This will hopefully give you guys a workaround to the SkyVector while we continue to troubleshoot. Hopefully once we have a final fix action shortly, we will send you another email, tell you can go back to using viewers and navigate to SkyVector as you did before. As always, please reach out to us at the AFAS Help Desk with any questions or concerns. You can give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching the video.